Click on Host and Export. Under Hosting, you will get this New Request button. You will get this button only when you are an admin, or if you have purchase access granted by admin. Click on New Request button and choose Cloud Hosted from drop-down, and click Create. Application build will run. Once build is complete, if you have any bugs, you can click on this bug report to troubleshoot on module basis. When you collapse the build console, you can see the hosting request form. Title and description is set to application name by default, based on the name you provided during application creation. Enter a version to your application deployment in version field. This will come in handy if you would like to have version control for your application. Currently, applications can only be deployed as a web application. Under Administrator Details, you need to enter the name and valid email address of the user who will be the application's admin. This user will get an email to set password and add users. Under Email Server, select the desired SMTP details from drop-down to send emails. SMTP added under Resources will appear here. If you have not added in Resources, you need to go back, add and raise a new request. You can also edit the added server details here. Click Proceed to create deployment request. Deployment request status will be pending at this point, as the payment is not done yet. Under Host Environment, select the environment in which application should be deployed. You can choose an already created environment, or you can also create a new environment directly from here. New environment creation is the same as Admin Portal. If you select an existing environment, you will be able to see the selected environment status. Only if the environment status is active, you will be able to host your application in the selected environment. Under Hosting Costs, you will be able to select the cost of hosting your application. Cost depends on the maximum number of users who will be using the deployed application. Pricing will change based on the user count you select. If you select 1,000 plus as the user count, you will be charged flat rate pricing for 1,000 users, plus you can add users in multiples of 1,000, with an additional $50 for every 1,000 users. Click Confirm and Pay once you have selected the user count. You will be redirected to Payments page. Provide card details such as card number, expiry, CVC, cardholder name and billing address. Click Subscribe. Once payment is successful, you will be redirected to Hosting page. Here, you can find the created request with deploying status. When you click on View, you will be taken to Hosting Details page to view information related to selected deployment. If deployment fails for some reason, you can check the request logs and retry request under Actions, or create a ticket using Contact Us button. When you click Contact Us, you will get Create Request pop-up. Select ticket type and provide all the required information in description field. Click Submit to create request or click Cancel. When you click on Retry Request, you will get a pop-up to confirm. Upon confirmation, deployment will start again. Towards the end of deployment, admin will receive Set Your Password email to set password and can log in from there. Once deployment is successful, you will see the host environment details like name and location that was provided during environment creation. Under Application URL, you can find the URL to your application. You can also click on this link to navigate to the application and start using. These are the database and access control servers which will populate relevant server details. Under Manage Request, you will see options to delete and shut down the request. When you click on Delete Request, a warning pop-up will appear. To confirm deletion, enter the full name of application as it is in the text box provided. When you continue, a confirmation pop-up will appear to enter your account password, post which deployment will be deleted. If you wish to discard, click Cancel to go back. When you click on Shutdown Request, you will get a pop-up to confirm. Once you shut down a deployment, end users won't be able to use the application, but application will continue to exist in cloud. You will still be charged for the deployment. This is how you can create, delete, or shut a deployment. All the requests created so far will be visible under Active and Other Requests in Hosting page.